Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Aviral and till now we have discussed how we can add the series termination on the driver net and how we can reduce the overshoot and undershoot of any waveform. So now in this tutorial we are going to discuss about how to save the result and pass it to the designer so he can make those changes to existing design files before the manufacturing, right? So just open the Hyper Linux. So in Hyper Linux we can generate the report for whatever the changes we have made, right? So let me show you. So here you can see we have added a 33.8 ohm series termination resistor, right? So now we'll update that on the report that we're going to pass to the designer. So just go to the export, left click over export. There is the option report and there you will find design changes summary, right? Left click over that. Now Hyper Linux will ask to execute that process. So click over finish, left click. So I've already generated the file, so that's why it is asking me to replace it. So in my case it is yes. Here we go. So here Hyper Linux generated a report. So when we scroll down, here you will find all the general information like what are the total number of nets in our board, what are the number of components, what is the board temperature, because with power specification Hyper Linux can do the thermal analysis too. So that we will going to discuss in later videos. Now here you will see the next section is for stack up. So here this board is like 12 layer board. So here you can see all the signal layer, dielectric. So there you can see the material name is copper, what is the resistivity of the material, what is the trace width, the minimum trace width of the material, right, on the signal layer, right? You will see we have lot of power and ground planes. When we scroll down, we'll find another section which is the changes of passive values. So is there any changes in the passive values we made? So we didn't change any passive values which is defined on the schematic sheet of the IMX6 module. We have just added a series termination, right? So in the next section you will find new termination component, and here we have added a series R of 33.8 ohm for the IC number U1 and pin PB14. So this is the sufficient information needed for the designer, and he will update that value on the schematic sheet and reflect it over our PCB design before giving it to manufacturing, right? So like whatever the changes we will make on the Hyper Linux simulation tool, these all changes will be reflected here and will pass it to the designer. So here I'm just ending this series. So this was the quick introduction of all the not all but like very specific tools of Hyper Linux. So very soon I'm just going to start a very detailed simulation and analysis for the IMX6 REX module. So there I'll cover all the data lines, all the high speed signals, and I'll simulate and generate the report